Let me start at the beginning.
This game is great. My stomach's growling though. I'm probably gonna have to stop it here, guys. Oh, and you remember bloaters too? My stomach's growling. I know you can hear it. Didn't experience any of this stuff?
What would have happened if I'd stayed?
Oh, my stomach's kind of growling. Just
become one more asshole soldier.
There. Yeah.
My stomach's growling, guys. I'm hungry. Getting hungry.
They said, even if we found her,
Stomach's growling.
go find someone else.
Oh. My stomach's growling, just ignore it.
He's pretty worked up.
He ran off? Stomach's growling.
He ran off this way.
Do you hear it? It's growling.
Lev!
God, my stomach is going nuts. Ask this shit. Nope. God, do you hear my stomach? Please relax. Son, you can't pass up good stuff. God, my stomach. Please stop growling. There's a ladder here, but where does this ladder go? My stomach's growling, you hear it. Oh yeah. Oh, my stomach is growling. Jesus. I can't say it's
Makes
like,
sense.
oh, my stomach's growling.
That's
I
probably
can't
the
say
best
it's
approach.
punch hard.
Oh, okay.
Oh, my stomach's growling, by the way, if you hear that.
Times two.
Why would you ever go
There's
there?
a lot of
Mary
that
got the
going
axe from
around.
there.
I
I
can't
only
imagine
care about
he
my
has a lot
investigation.
of
Oh my god, my stomach's growling.
marketable skills.
I ignored that dude. Friendly approach. Ooh, my tummy is growling. It's like really confused or... God, my stomach is growling so bad. Could have like collected or bought one from him. My stomach is growling. God, my stomach! Just ignore my stomach. I needed to eat something because my stomach is gonna just keep growling. My stomach's growling. No, I don't. I can feel my stomach is gonna start growling, so if you hear my stomach growling, I apologize. Oops. My stomach's growling. Pants! God, why? My stomach is fucking growling. Oi, oi. Stomach growling. No, see? My stomach is growling. I'm starving, guys. I feel it in my stomach. It's gotta be that, guys. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna last, guys. I feel like we might have to continue this a different day because I'm starving to death.